Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So we want to find the integral of these two functions on the board. Integral of sine inverse of -1 dx and tan x dx. So the first one for this is equal to integral of 1 over what? Over x dx. Right? And from this, if you have this, and since, anyway, let me put it in this form. Since the derivative of what you have here is what you have here, because the derivative of, if you differentiate x, you get 1. So this is now equal to ln x. From the basic law of principles and law of integration. Right? So for this also, if you have integral of tan x, this is equal to, tan is the same thing as sine x over cos x. If you differentiate cos, you will not get sine, but there is actually something you can do to make it the derivative of what you have in your denominator. What if you put minus here and minus here? You find that if you differentiate cos x, you get what? Minus x. Hence, this is equal to minus ln. Okay, minus ln cos x.